Now, battery or cells are referred to as the parallel combination of electrochemical cells, right? Now, the major difference between the primary cell and the secondary cell is that primary cells are ones that cannot be charged, but secondary cells are, of course, rechargeable. Now, primary cells have high density and get discharged slowly. Since there is no fluid inside these cells, they are also known as dry cells. The internal resistance is high and the chemical reaction is irreversible. Its initial cost is cheap and also primary cells are easy to use. The secondary cells have low energy density and are made of molten salt and wet cells. The internal resistance is low and the chemical reaction is reversible. Its initial cost is high and is little complicated to use when compared to primary cell. The primary cells are the ones which cannot be recharged and have to be discarded after the expiration of the lifetime, whereas secondary cells need to be recharged when the charge gets over. Both the type of battery are used extensively in various appliances, and these cells differ in size and material used in them. Some of the major differences are the fact that primary cells have high energy density and slow in discharge and easy to use, while secondary cells have smaller energy density. Also, the primary cell has an irreversible chemical reaction, while the secondary cell has a reversible chemical reaction. Furthermore, primary cells have no fluids in them, hence it is called a dry cell, while secondary cells are made up of wet cells, flooded and liquid cells, and molten salt, cells with different composition. Primary cells also have high internal resistance, while secondary cells have a low internal resistance. In this lesson, we have learnt about some of the major differences between the primary cell and the secondary cell. I'm sure I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.